All right, this video is going to be the final step in our process here, and it's going to be stringing up the ukulele. So in order to string this thing up, you are going to grab some ukulele strings. They're labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 1 string will be when you're playing it on the bottom. So I know that my 1 string is going to go here when I'm playing it. So in reality, if I turn it around, my 1 string will be over here. So it'll be going through this hole over here, okay? So there's a little knot. It's a very simple knot. So you're gonna put the string through. Takes a little pushing. You may need pliers to kind of get the string. All right. Just make sure you have enough to get down to the headstock when you're there. So there we go. The way this knot works is it's just a overhand knot like this. You push it through the loop like that, and then you come around and you kind of loop it next to the loop. I will put a picture of this because this is obviously very hard to see. That's it. It's a very simple knot. You're going to want to probably use pliers to pull the knot shut. Okay. All right. So I'm pulling that nice and tight. And now I'm going to bring the string down to my headstock. I need to get scissors to cut that string. All right, so let me reposition this. So let's see if we go like this here. The first string is going to come to this peg, and pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to cut the sticker off. There we go. So it's going to come in here. Pull it through. You're going to have a lot of excess, which is exactly what we want right now. And then we're just going to righty-tighty it so this starts to wrap. And you're going to want to make sure that it's in the this plastic piece that has grooves for the strings to sit in. So I'm just going to turn it. Okay, we're starting to get some notes. Now, this is not going to be tuned yet, but at least we'll get the strings on there so we can start to tune it. And that's about the process. So you don't need to get your strings like super tight right now because you're going to do that during the tuning process. But right now you're focusing on getting the strings on the headstock there. So that's the way it looks. And you can kind of see the whole thing over there. It's getting there.